Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. So till now I have already explained many things about our third chapter of geography, that is latitudes and longitudes. So first of all, I told you the definition of latitude and then longitude. So after that I told you about the heat zones and the important parallels of latitude. So there are mainly 5 important parallels of latitude, and on the basis of those important parallels of latitude, the whole earth is divided into 3 heat zones, and these 3 heat zones are torrid zone, which is the hottest zone, then temperate zone, and the last one is the frigid zone, which is the coldest zone. After that I told you how to locate places with the help of latitudes and longitudes, and in my next video I told you about how to calculate time with the help of longitudes. So till there I have already explained. Now today I am just going to explain here what is the meaning of local time and the standard time. Okay, so I am just going to explain about the local time and standard time. So first of all, what is local time? So the local time at a place is fixed on the basis of the apparent movement of the sun in the sky. Okay, the sun appears to move from east to west in the sky, but it is actually not sun. Okay, always remember that it is not sun that is revolving around the earth, but it is our earth that is revolving around the sun, and our earth is also rotating. Okay, and the rotation of earth is from west to east. As the earth is rotating from west to east, that's why we feel that the sun is moving from east to west. Okay, so as sun moves from east to west, according to what we feel, according to that I am telling that as the sun moves from east to west, so on the basis of that we fix the local time of a place. Okay, so let's see what is the local time. So here we can see that this is our earth and this is sun. Okay, now the time here, from here we can see that this part of the earth is facing the sun. Okay, now this part of the earth is having the day time, and this part of the earth is just opposite to the sun, that's why it is having the night time. So you can see I have drawn the meridians here. So all the places that are located at this particular meridians, that is facing the direct rays of the sun, all these places are having the mid-afternoon, that is 12 p.m. So all the places here they are having the 12 p.m. time, and the places that is just next to this meridian would be 4 minutes behind the time of this meridian. That means after 4 minutes this meridian will be here and will be having the time of 12 p.m. In the same way, after 8 minutes this meridian will be having the time of 12 p.m. As I told you earlier that the meridians are having the time difference between all the meridians are 4 minutes. So that's why after every 4 minutes the meridians will face the sun and will be having the time of 12 p.m. So what is local time here? The local time is the time of the meridian from North Pole to South Pole. So from North Pole to South Pole, one meridian is having the same time. Whether it is in North Pole, whether the place is located at South Pole, or whether anywhere there on the meridian, it will be having the same time. So this is called local time. So whether it is of prime meridian or any of other meridian, the time from the North Pole to South Pole, the time of the whole meridian will be same, and that same time of the meridian is called the local time. So here you can see the time of the meridian that passing through from India, China and Europe all are having the same time, as these all are having the same meridian. Okay, that's why the local time of all these meridians are same, but the standard time of all these meridians are different, and this standard time is fixed by their government. And in the same way, here also you can see the time that the meridian that is passing through from Australia, Japan and from Russia, the local time of this meridian is same there in Russia, Japan and Australia, but their standard time is different, that is fixed by the government. Now the next is, what is a standard time? So standard time is the time of a meridian fixed for the whole country by the law of the country. So to avoid any kind of confusion, the law of the country fixed the time of a particular meridian as the standard time for the whole country. So generally the time of the meridian that passes through the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the whole country. So why we take the time of one meridian as the standard time of the whole country? It is done to avoid any kind of confusion regarding the time in the whole country. So we can understand it with one example. The country like India, there are, from India there are 22 and half meridians are there that passes through from India. So now what is standard time? So standard time is the time of a meridian fixed for the whole country by the law of the country. Okay, for the whole country follow the same time. So this is called the standard time. So generally the time of the meridian that passes through from the middle of the country is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So why we take the time of one meridian as the time of the whole country? So this is the important question. Why we consider or why we take the time of one meridian only as the time of the whole country? So it is done just to avoid confusion regarding the time. So let us take one example here. You can take the example of India. As you know that India is a vast country and nearly 22.5 degree meridian passes through from India. So how many meridian from eastern side to the western side of India? 22.5 degree. So these many meridians passes through from India. So as I told you, the time difference between two meridian is 4 minutes. So now the time of these 22.5 degree meridians will be 90 minutes. Isn't it? So 90 minutes means 1.5 hours. So we can say that the time difference between the places of the easternmost side of India and the westernmost side of India, the time difference between those places is 1.5 hours. So if we will not fix a standard time there, then there will always be a confusion between the places of eastern side and the western side, that what would be the time there in the eastern place side and what would be the time there in the western side. So suppose a person who is there in the western most area of country, he has to catch a plane or he has to board a plane from the easternmost side of the country, and now he knows that the time according to western side of the country, the time of the plane is 9 p.m. Okay, So according to his time, he reaches to the eastern side. But when he reaches there, now the time there is 10:30. 9 o'clock is already over. It is already past and now it is 10:30. Why? Because of this 1.5 hours difference, time difference. Now the time is there 10:30, and when he started from there, he thought that he will reach there on time, but when he reached there, his watch was showing the time of 9 o'clock only, but actually the time, the local time there would be 10:30. So he would not be able to catch his plane. So to avoid such kind of confusions, now the country decides one time of one meridian as the standard time. So in our country also, the Indian government, the law of our country decided the time of 82.5 degree meridian as the standard time of the whole India. So as this meridian, 82.5 degree meridian, it is located almost at the midway of India. That's why the time of 82.5 degree meridian is taken as the standard time of India. So the time of 82.5 degree meridian, as I told you, this meridian passes through almost middle of the country. That's why the time of this meridian is taken as the standard time of the whole country. So this meridian, it passes through from the states like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. So all these 5 states. So this meridian touches all these 5 states of India, and its time is taken as the standard time of India. As the time is taken as the standard time of India, we call it Indian Standard Time. So here you can see that there are almost 22.5 meridians that are passing here through India from the westernmost side of India to the easternmost side of India. So just because of these many meridians, the time difference between the western side and the easternmost side of India is 1.5 hours. And due to this time difference, there is the confusion in the time of the local time of the places. But to avoid all this confusion, the Indian government has fixed the time of 82.5 degree meridian as the fixed time of India. So here you can say this is the standard meridian of India, and this standard meridian is passing through from Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. From these 4 states of India, this standard meridian is passing through. Okay, so this is our standard meridian of India, that is 82.5 degree east. Okay, I think it is clear to everybody. So this is enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.